yathā taror mūla-niṣecanena tṛpyanti tat-skandha-bhujopaśākhāḥ prāṇopahārāc yathendriyāṇāṁ tathaiva sarvārhaṇam acyutejyā. Yathā taror mūla-niṣecanena. How do we water a plant? By putting the water on the root, not on the leaves or twigs or flowers or fruits. One may do that also, but the real nourishment of the plant is when we water the root of the plant, right? Yathā taror mūla-niṣecanena tṛpyanti tat-skandha-bhujopaśākhāḥ. Skandha, bhuja, upashaka, the branches and the twigs and sub-branches and the leaves and flowers and fruits, all the limbs of a tree are automatically nourished when we water the root of the tree. Root is not visible, but all the other elements of the tree are visible, but actually the elements of the tree are nourished only by watering the root. Yathā taror mūla-niṣecanena tṛpyanti tat-skandha-bhujopaśākhāḥ. Similarly, only when we worship Krishna, then we will be nourished, and all the demigods also will be pleased, and all the incarnations of Krishna are also pleased. So, just by worshipping Krishna, we will be able to receive all blessings and benedictions in our life, because Krishna is the root cause of all existence. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Aham sarvasya prabhavo mattah sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha. Everything is emanating from me. I am the origin and cause of everything. Nothing can exist separate from me, outside me. So Krishna says he is the origin of everything. Mattah parataram nanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya mai sarvamidam proktam sutre maniganaiva. There is no one superior to Krishna, and everything is existing on the foundation of Krishna. If you find the details of all this cosmic manifestation as small beads or pearls, Krishna is that string that keeps all these pearls together. So thus Krishna is the foundation of all existence. Krishna is the root of all existence. So just like we water the root of the tree, similarly we should worship Krishna to receive all happiness and mitigate all miseries in the world. So somebody may say, okay, I will water the root and I will also sprinkle water on the twigs and leaves and flowers and fruits also in the tree. So what's the problem with that? So that means I will worship Krishna and I will worship so many other gods also. But Bhagavatam says that it is not necessary. Once you water the root, sprinkling water on the leaves and twigs is not necessary. Okay, if you are not satisfied with this example as a logical one, there is another example. So in the same shloka, it says that prāṇopahārāc yathendriyāṇāṁ. When we feed food to the stomach, then all the other limbs of the body are nourished. So just if the hands have to receive strength, if the legs have to receive strength, one has to give food to the mouth. So if one just tries to take the food and put it on the hands or legs, the legs and hands are not nourished. All the limbs of the body are nourished only when we supply food to the stomach. Similarly, only when we worship Krishna, all the other gods are also satisfied, all the other demigods are also satisfied, and we can receive all blessings. Worshipping Krishna is like watering the root or feeding the stomach. So that is the importance of worshipping Krishna as repeatedly emphasized by Srimad Bhagavatam and all other Vedic literatures. Hare Krishna.
For more such devotional programs, please watch Hare Krishna television. To get this channel, please contact your cable or DTH operator. For more information, please call 8767 845 845.